If your iPad has a black screen and won't turn on, don't assume it's broken just yet. The first thing you should check is the battery. Use an original Apple Lightning or USB-C cable and plug your iPad into a charger. Then, give it a little time. This is especially common with older iPads or devices that get used a lot for gaming and everyday tasks. Sometimes, an iPad black screen isn't caused by a serious hardware problem at all. The battery may simply be completely drained, so after you charge your iPad for a while, try turning it on again. If your iPad starts up normally, then the problem was most likely just a dead battery. But if your iPad battery drains unusually fast, or the device keeps shutting down because of low power, the battery may already be aging. In that case, I'd recommend getting the iPad battery checked at an Apple store or an Apple-authorized service provider and replacing it if necessary. Method 1. Force restart. Your iPad. If you have an iPad without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the top button. Keep holding it. Don't release it just because the screen stays black. Wait until you see the Apple logo, then let go. If you have an older iPad with a home button, press and hold the home button and the top button together until the Apple logo appears. If the iPad still won't turn on after a forced restart, the problem may be related to iPadOS or another system error. Method 2. Fix the iPad black screen with UltFone. UltFone is an iOS system repair tool designed to fix common problems on iPad, iPhone, and iPod, such as an iPad stuck on the Apple logo, a device that won't turn on properly, or an iPad stuck in recovery mode. I've put the download link in the description below. First, connect your iPad to your computer and open UltFone. If the software can detect your device, quickly press volume up button and volume down button, then press and hold the power button until your iPad into recovery mode. Once that's done, click Start Repair. Then choose Standard Repair. UltFone will automatically match the appropriate iOS firmware for your device. Click Download to get the firmware package. Since the file can be pretty large, the download time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, start the repair. From here, UltFone will handle the iOS system repair automatically. Standard Repair is designed to fix system issues without erasing your personal data. Once the repair is finished, your iPad will restart automatically. Method 3. Update your iPad with iTunes. If you're looking for a free way to fix an iPad black screen or an iPad that won't turn on, you can try updating it with iTunes. First, connect your iPad to a computer using a lightning cable, put your iPad into recovery mode. This helps iTunes detect the device properly. Once iTunes recognizes your iPad, you'll see a pop-up window. Click Update, and iTunes will start downloading and installing the latest iPadOS firmware. How long this takes depends on your internet speed. That said, this isn't my first choice for fixing an iPad black screen. If something goes wrong during the update or recovery process, there's still a risk of losing your iPad data. And that's it for today's guide on how to fix an iPad black screen and frozen iPad. If this video helped you fix your iPad, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more iPad troubleshooting tips. I'll see you in the next video.